When one of the royal fathers, Papa Priye Dietespif, the Amainabo of Tombras, was the first military governor of the Old River State, came to make his remarks and first of all faced General Gowon and gave the military compliments. And while going back, he repeated the same thing. Something just turned my head. I said, Gowon was a very young man. Young, but then he was the head of state when I was in primary 5. Yeah. Then King Spiff was our first military governor. Very young man at 24. That when I was in primary 5. And I couldn't have imagined that one day I will be a retired president sitting with Gowon in the Council of State meeting. Your Excellency, you have done well for this country, and you are still doing. We will continue to carry your bag and follow you. You've done very well, and you are charged to the military then, and the charge of indeed the Nigerians that to keep Nigeria warm is a task that must be done. That charge will continue to resonate. Thank you for your services. God will continue to keep you alive for us. And let me appreciate the author who has brought us here to put this book together. And a book like this needs research. So a number of people must have worked with you. Let me appreciate all those contributors, all those who work with you, because it's a good political history book that most Nigerians will want to read from the front page to the back page. And it will be useful for our young people what this country is and what people like you, what you have contributed. In fact, just like the title of the book, Brutally Frank. Sometimes these days when people listen to WIKELEAKS, they find it difficult to position him. Who is this man? Is it for Nigeria or is it for Niger Delta? And I have to appreciate Yakubu Gowon and Ambassador Igale for bringing out who WIKELEAKS really is. I'm very happy that this program attracted all the key actors in this country. And you will know that WIKELEAKS is somebody that we need to appreciate. I didn't meet WIKELEAKS until I became a deputy governor of Bayelsa State. Can't remember exactly the date. But then my governor traveled out of the country, and there was a problem within the Niger Delta. And WIKELEAKS was to come to Yenagua. We had a meeting with others. That was the first time we interacted. And when I listened to him, I saw a person whose vision was for Nigeria, whose vision was for the security of this country, whose vision was for the unity of this country. I'm happy today that I'm participating in this book presentation. In fact, WIKELEAKS is one of those few Nigerians that the name should be written in letters of gold in a political history book. And I meant it not because it's my father, but I knew his contributions. When I set up the 2014 National Conference, there was debate about percentages, is it for 70% to third or quarters or whatever, that could make them to come up and agree on something. And most of the resolutions were not voted. People agreed. And from the information I got, WIKELEAKS was one of the fathers that worked behind to make sure that North, South, East, and West agree on most of those things. Thank you for your services for this country, and your name will surely be written in letters of gold. And when I talk about writing names in letters of gold, I remember when I was in school and I read about Twice Lorraine in one of his essays. I remember a particular clause. He said, those who would have been written of the history of creation have gotten their nameless names written in letters of gold. You are not one of those who had nameless names. You have a name, and we thank you for that. Let me Sincerely, at this time, I appreciate the host governors from the program. There are 6 host governors for accepting to host, and especially the governor and the government of Delta State for what you have done for my father and for the key role you have played in this program. And even to attend the program, the governor was here. Of course, he just left. The deputy governor is here. The speaker is also here. It's rare, except political party programs, to see the governor and the deputy governor appearing at the same time, and the speaker too. So both the executive arm of Delta State and the legislative arm all here to celebrate you. So I have to thank them very sincerely. And finally, let me appreciate all of you that are in this audience. I know most of you would have loved to speak. I'm not the MC and I'm not doing the work for the MC, but I know most of you would have loved to make one little comment on the other about who Chief Ike Clark is. But because of time, very few of us have that opportunity. So let me thank all of you for coming to celebrate my father. Thank you all.